Hello everyone, iOS 26.4.1 has just officially came out, and iOS 18.7.7 is also a version of software that you are able to install on some iPhones. So should you go and upgrade from iOS 18.7.7 and go up to iOS 26.4.1? Now, here's the thing I'll probably tell you. When it comes down to both of these particular software updates, they're both very good, right? Now, iOS 26.4.1 is going to be a more feature-full update, meaning that update is going to have more features inside of it, and it's probably going to be able to give you more things inside of that update than iOS 18.7.7. However, iOS 26.4.1 is going to be slightly a little bit more unstable, and it's going to have some glitches still. Within iOS 18.7.7, this update is going to have a few less features across the board. It's not really going to be giving you a lot of cool things across the board. It's definitely going to be giving you some limitations. But the advantage of iOS, 18.7.7 is that it is going to be slightly more, stable. You're not going to be running into too many problems within that version of software, and that right there is going to be a really big advantage for something like iOS 18.7.7. So the version of software that I'm currently kind of rocking with right now is going to be iOS 18.7.7. I feel like that one is just going to be a little bit more stable for me, and that's the direction I think I'm going to kind of go down. But 26.4.1 is definitely a step in the right direction, and I think it's still better in a lot of ways than standard iOS 26, but that's kind of how I feel about these two versions of software. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.